welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to share a TikTok video on a story of Facebook. This is that process get two options to share a TikTok video on a story on Facebook. And the first thing you need to do is go to TikTok, and if you got that video, for example, you need to go here in the option of likes, comments, archive. You need to pick here in the share in the arrow, and after that you got the option of Facebook. But here in this that option, Facebook send the video to like a post, no, like a history. So you got two options to do that. So you can save the video in your phone and upload in your story of Facebook, or you can copy the link in the option of copy link, and you got that option, and you can put that link in a Facebook stories and share it to that video. So this is the two options. Here you get the option of copy link, and remember you got download the video or share the link of the video. So this is a process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.